This is our Eurocamp site in France. So I'm doing a walkthrough tour for our cabin. Environment looks peaceful. You should take your shoes off. Bathroom. Main bedroom. Okay, earlier that's a shower room, that's a bathroom. Well, we drove more than 7 hours to get here. 4 hours in the UK to Dover ferry, and then about 3 hours come here. I would say driving in France is much easier than I thought it would be, because there is different direction. I drove my own car here. Okay, that's the end of the tour. Yeah, unfortunately, they said you have to do all the cleanup yourselves. So, yeah, when we check out, we have to do the cleaning. Thanks for watching. Bye.